everyone. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. Myself Shweta. I am an English teacher in Kakatiya Public School. Children, today we are going to discuss about the topic articles. Okay? Before entering into our topic, I would like to tell you a small story. Okay? Are you ready to listen the story now? Once upon a time, in a village, there lived three brothers. How many brothers? Three brothers. What are their names? Look here, Nana. What are their names? A and Da. The name of the brothers are A and Anda. These A and are twin brothers. Okay, what are they? A and are, they are twin brothers. And the is an elder brother. Okay. So, though A and are twin brothers, they look same, but their habits are quite different. Means, A, it only used to do the work of only consonants. And he used to do the work of only vowels. Okay, Nana? A, he used to do the work of only consonants, and he used to do the work of only vowels. And what about the boy? He used to do all the works of singular and plural. Okay, children, basically, how many letters do we have? We have 26 letters. Okay, these 26 letters are divided into two parts. As we know, it is divided into two parts. What are they, Nana? Vowels and consonants. What are vowels? A, E, and O, U are known as vowels. And the remaining B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. Okay, these are known as vowels and these are known as consonants. So, as I told, it is used to do only the work of consonants. Means wherever the noun it begins with an consonant, so we will be using A. Okay, for example, you just see. A book means it is a consonant sound. So, for the consonant sound, we are going to use the article A. A book. Another consonant C. It is a consonant sound, so we are using the article A. So, let us see from G. It is a consonant word, consonant letter, so we are using A. One more example. N. N for nest. It is also a consonant letter, so we are using A. So, whenever we use a noun with a consonant sound, there we will be using A. Okay, children? So, wherever the word it begins with an vowel sound, there we will will be using and. Okay, children. Now let us look few more examples. Look at see. Dash apple. A. The first letter of the word is A. A means it is a vowel sound. So, and he used to do only the vowel sound words, no? So, before and vowel sound, we are going to use and. Here A means again vowel. So, for the vowel sound, we are going to use and. Here ink pot. It comes on the vowel. Okay. So before and vowel word we will be using an article and. Umbrella. It is also and vowel. So we are going to use and. So coming to this the article. So the is again this a and the. So this A and R are indefinite articles. Indefinite articles. Coming to this the, it is known as an definite article. Now, what do you mean by indefinite and definite? Once you see here, see, I am having look here. I am having 4 mangoes over here. And how many mangoes I am having? I am having 4 mangoes. If I want to ask a mango, how would I'll ask? I want a mango. Why I'm telling a mango? Because M, it is a noun. So before the consonant word, we are using A. Is it clear, Nana? See, in these 4 mangoes, I want a mango to eat. I'll ask in this way, a mango to eat. If so A is known as a consonant here. So in case of a definite article, if I want the third mango, see, if I only want this mango, I want the third mango. See, in the first sentence, what did I ask? I want a mango to eat. What did I ask to them? I want a mango to eat. A mango means what? It can be this mango, this one or this one. It may be any one of 4. But coming to the definite article, the article, I want the particular. What is mean by particular? I want only the third mango. So, for the definite articles, we are going to use the article the. Is it clear, children? Have you understood? So, I am going to give you a worksheet of A and the. You need to do the homework and you need to send the pics to your in-charge madam. When the school gets reopened, I am going to check all the homeworks, children. Okay? It is mandatory to do the worksheet compulsory. Is it clear? Thank you.